Hello people, my name is Madhu Bansal. I am the founder of KRB Markets. Today we are happy to announce the very first episode of our series Market Vachan, in which we take one stock and analyze its move. To hear this episode in Hindi, you can click on the different link in the description box. So the stock for today is Cipla, which has risen the most in the last 30 days as compared to its peers, and try to understand whether the signs were already present in the charts as well as sentiments of this particular stock by analyzing the data and charts and etc. that we'll be talking about. The points discussed here will help you understand the factors behind the steep surge. So as we saw on 9th April, there was this news that was doing rounds about Cipla getting final approval from US FDA about some asthma drugs. Was this news already flashing in the charts? Let's find out. We'll be analyzing this case study on the basis of the following popular ways. First is, of course, our technical analysis, where we'll try to find out the support levels and if any divergence is there or not. Second is sentiment analysis with the help of future as well as option chain data. Starting from the very basic of all, let's find out the support levels that Cipla could have tested before going up. This is the weekly chart of the stock. The prices are taking constant support at 365 levels again and again. On 23rd March, as you could see, the prices stopped going further down from those levels. Now we'll be talking about divergence, as the support only suggests the possible consolidation or recovery but doesn't really confirm anything else. This is a weekly chart of Cipla again, and you can see that the prices are consolidating or moving in one line, whereas the indicator of MACD is moving higher, which means that there's a high probability of the prices to go higher, and that only happened. Moving on, the next analysis that we want to do is sentiment analysis, the sentiments of public at large. We'll be analyzing the future data of end of days of March as well as April. This is the future data of March from 23rd to 26th of March 2020. The future positions are getting closed, as you can see. In the next slide, we'll see that all these positions are getting transferred from the month of March to the month of April. Focus on the price increasing, indicating the positions closing is long. As you can see, the positions are getting exited, but the prices are increasing. So this is the future data of April. From this particular set of information, we'll be analyzing 3 points. Number one, the kind of contracts getting rolled on from the month of March to the month of April with the price increasing. Number two, the contracts going out of the stock with the price increasing. And number three, the new heavy positions getting made in the stock with the price increasing. All indicating only one thing, that there are heavy long positions getting made in this particular stock. Now let's come to the option chain analysis. That is the next segment of our sentiment analysis. We'll be analyzing the 3 option chains, that is 1 week prior to the news announcement, the option chain of 3rd, 7th and 8th April. The particular option chain that you can see on your screens is of 3rd April. As you can see, the heavy put writing is taking place. The new fresh positions are being made on a number of strike prices. Let's take one strike price, that is the strike price of 450, and see the kind of fresh positions getting made, that is 87,400. We'll try to see whether this position is getting transferred or is increasing in its position in the upcoming option chain or not. Okay, so this is the option chain of the next trading day, that is 7th of April. We can see a number of fresh positions getting made on a number of strike prices. As I told you to notice the strike price of 440 and an increase in the fresh positions that were getting made, similar increase in fresh positions of the put writing could also be seen, which indicates only one thing, the bullishness of the stock. Now let's analyze the option chain of the next trading day, that is the 8th of April. Again, you can see a number of fresh positions getting made on a number of strike prices. One thing to note in this is the strike price of 440. As we have noticed, a number of fresh positions were getting made on this. In this particular position, the fresh positions are getting exited and getting transferred to the higher strike prices, which again indicates the bullishness. So to analyze the 3 option chain in one line, I would just say a heavy put writing was getting done on subsequent higher strike prices. This small case study proves a very important aspect of technical analysis called market discounts everything. With the above analysis of charts and derivatives data, we can clearly conclude the heavy positions were getting made in the stock days before the announcement made of the positive news. Market really discounts everything except the acts of God. Thank you so much for watching. You can subscribe our social media channels or join the Telegram channel to get updates about our upcoming webinar or informative videos. Thank you so much.